Sid, where were you? You weren't taking any calls. You didn't even call up to inform us. Your grandpa is too worried since yesterday. Should anyone leave home like this?
Grandfather, come, have a seat. Sit down. I'll bring water for you.
Dad, I'm keeping this file in your room.
Here you go. Listen, you haven't eaten anything since the morning. And Papa,
Yes?
grandfather needs some food.
Siddharth, the Lord has been kind to bring you back home safely. Uh, um, Auntie, Auntie, I was thinking if you could talk to him about the food offering ritual. I also feel like cooking something for him. Actually, whatever Siddharth has done for Mithai, this has become possible only because he is Aarti's son. May Lord do good to you, my child. Rise high in life, very high.
Siddharth, she is your mother-in-law, and mother-in-law is like mom. Shouldn't you seek her blessings? And listen, according to rituals, Parvati will cook for you today. Please remember that. Parvati, please make all the arrangements. I'm asking you to do it.
Grandpa, I don't want to eat anything now. Excuse me.
Hey, Appa, isn't this lady going overboard regarding everything? She wants to follow all the rituals.
Sulata.
No, I just felt Hen said.
Mother, why did you tell Siddharth about eating? Siddharth won't eat food cooked by you. He doesn't even eat the food cooked at home. And you don't know how to cook the kind of food that he has. You rather cook for the rest of the people.
Feeding other and feeding one's son-in-law isn't the same. Don't pass your comments regarding everything. This is a ritual of wedding. Listen.
Up.
Will you please try to convince Sid one more time?
Grandmother, how many times should grandfather try to convince him? Whether you scold me or do anything else, I won't let grandfather request him anymore. Grandfather has some prestige, so does my mother.
Aunt?
May Lord bless you.
Aunt, I eat very less. Please remember that.
Mithai?
Yes?
Mithai, Mithai!
Yes, yes,
Mithai!
yes.
Mithai, you did it! You did it!
What?
Did you all see that?
Uh,
Mithai made Sid touch Aunt's feet and seek blessing,
Huh?
and she convinced Sid to eat as well.
Yay! Mithai is great. Well done,
oh
well done.
my. What did I do? I had asked mother not to cook for him. The one who drinks bitter tea in the morning, how will he know what good food is?
That's it, Gulti. It's done. You don't
Hey
need to do anything
everyone,
else.
just look at this. Our bride is here. Grandma, will they sit together and eat?
Oh my, Sri. You seem to know a lot about these wedding rituals, huh? Hello, Miss Selfie Nipa. Take some tips from her.
Rajiv,
Mm,
am I a target for today's leg pulling sessions?
no. I have my sweet little brother for that. Hey, you. Do you understand anything?
What should I understand? What is there to understand?
There is a lot to understand. I have a suggestion.
Hmm?
You start imagining. Just
Hmm.
imagine that you and Nipa are already married the day before.
Hmm.
Now is the time for Nipa to bid goodbye to her folks. All the ladies are standing around you with tears in their eyes, and Nipa is crying profusely and uncontrollably. She just can't stop. But this isn't the climax, brother. Right at that moment, you have to eat this whole plate of food all by yourself because that's the last meal.
Hey brother, what nonsense do you talk always? Nipa won't cry so much. Brother Rajiv, what were you describing so passionately as Sid returned home?
That's what I'm saying. Sandy's back after creating a scene. I was missing you terribly.
That's why I love you so much.
Listen,
What?
Siddharth has come back, and he hasn't only come back, he is coming down to eat as well. And I was just describing the common ritual.
Hey, just a minute.
What?
Who is coming down?
Siddharth?
Our Sid.
Yes.
Yes, Sandy is talking about Sid. Your brother Sid. Listen, Siddharth has come back home himself and he has said that he will eat at home.
What?
Look, Sandy, ideally today is the day Mithai is supposed to leave her parents' place. Isn't it, Mom? But very strangely, the bride lives in a house itself. She belongs to this house, so she won't have to leave. But what will happen is the bride and the groom will sit together side by side and eat together.
What? Why should I eat? Mr. Bitter.
Mithai, henceforth exercise caution before speaking. Don't you fool around all the time. Remember that you are the daughter-in-law of this house.
Okay, fine. I won't say anything wrong. Listen, I won't call Mr. Bittergaard as Mr. Bittergaard. Now you tell me what should I call him? Mother, I won't be able to sit here and eat now.
Why? Why won't you eat now?
Mother.
Your mom will pamper both her daughter and son-in-law. If you're in Chennai and you would have come here, then the same would have happened over there.
But that's not happening now, isn't it? Please spare me. Anyway, when your angry grandson come in front of me, my throat dries up. How will I be able to eat? Mithai will die out of fear. Rather, I'll eat later, please.
Grandma. Actually, Mithai hasn't said anything wrong. If she sits to eat together and then out of fear her hand trembles and she pours a glass of water on Sid's plate and then she'll be doomed.
That's a good idea.
Yes.
Sister Mithai is so restless that she was about to fall down
Hey,
from the
watch
wedding
out.
seat.
One tight slap.
Again. Quiet,
How
one
dare
stand
he?
there.
Hey, please tell me the truth. Will Sid eat all this food?
Of course he'll eat. He'll surely eat once. I think Mithai should also sit with him.
No, grandfather, I won't eat. You rather ask your angry grandson.
Walk slowly. Here you go, my child. Please sit here. Gulti, bring the conch. Go. Come, child, sit here. Please sit here.
Do I have to sit down and eat? It's too much food. Aren't I told you that I...
No, Siddharth. Today your words have no value. Today the husbands are mere puppets. So you will have to dance to other people's tunes.
Why are you staring at Rajiv so angrily? He is right. You got married yesterday. Won't you follow the preceding rituals?
Yes.
Parvati, give him a spoon. You have an English bred son-in-law. He can't eat without a fork and a spoon.
I'll bring it right away. Move aside. Here it is.
Ouch!
Let me go. Take this. Mom,
Is the ritual done? I'm done eating. Thank you.
Siddharth, listen, my child.
Mother, that's why I had said that Sid, he won't eat this kind of food. Then what's the point of performing these rituals? I don't understand.
No, it's all right. At least he has tasted something. That will do.
Mother, why did you take so much efforts? I had asked you not to do all this. Told you that Mr. Bittergourd won't eat.
Yes, Mithai. Why are you so sad? So what if Siddharth hasn't eaten? We are all here. We will eat the food. Listen, you will run short of food. Halla party? Do you all agree?
Yes, we agree.
Grandpa, come in. Good that you have come to my room. I have to say a few things to you today. Please let me explain everything, Grandpa. Please. You sit down.
Sister Shri, if I have to deck up so frequently, then Mithai will be surely finished. Then except Mr. Bittergourd, all of you will cry. Make my word.
No, Mithai, please don't say that. Grandma says words have power.
Is it really true, Shri? I had also said that I'll start my shop first. But the Lord didn't let that happen. He created such a ruckus in my life.
Hey, you wanted to say something?
Grandpa, you know very well that I don't believe in rituals like marriage. I know what you're going to say. You'll ask me, why did I get married then? Grandpa, I got married to Mithai only because of you. You were considering yourself guilty. And then Shri also said, and then you experienced the chest pain. So considering everything, I thought that if I get married to her, then you will be fine. And look, Grandpa, ultimately that's what happened. But Grandpa, I don't know what...
What? Now you're feeling that you have got into a trap, right? Your grandpa has pushed you into a trap and enjoying the fun. Are you having that feeling?
I haven't said that, Grandpa.
Siddharth, marriage is not child's play. I know it very well that you have done this for me. I have a grandson like you. It's my good fortune, son. But Mithai is also your responsibility.
Are you guys ready? Shri, Neepa, bring Mithai over here.
Flowers,
Uncle
flowers.
Amresh,
I'm
you're
loving
taking so
these
much time to arrange
flowers.
flowers in 4
Really?
vases.
There
Hey.
is still so much work left to be done. Mom,
Sister Shri, what's happening? How can I play a game with Mr. Bittergut? Isn't the whole thing becoming strange?
What is so strange about it, Mithai? In every wedding, this ring game is a mandatory ritual. And Mithai, whoever wins and gets to control, Isn't it, Aunt?
Okay, Mithai. Neepa and I will be cheering for you. And Rajiv and Ratul will be cheering for Sid.
Yes.
Yes.
But you have to win, okay? You have to find the ring before Sid does, okay, Mithai?
What difference will it make? Will I ever be able to control Mr. Bittergut? Wishful thinking.
No one can say what lies in the future. Do you remember, Sushama? During our wedding, I was the one who found the ring.
You might be saying that, Dad, but still you didn't get to control Mom all your life.
Right. This is what I'm trying to tell you all. Seeing your mom's defeated and pale face, you know what I did? I would handed her the ring in the water.
Uh-huh.
Since then, my control went in the hands of my darling. And you never know, Siddharth might also do something similar.
Dad, isn't it too much to ask for? No, I mean, no one could handle Sid all his life. Do you think that Mithai will be controlling Sid from now onwards? I don't know. I feel Sid won't come downstairs today. Mark my words.
No, I don't agree with you, Aunt Sulatha. Sid had got angry even in the morning due to what Mithai said. But finally, he had come downstairs. Now, what I don't understand is who is controlling whom?
Nipa, my control will always be in your hands. Always. Don't worry.
Sulata, didn't you bring the conch? Where is the plate of rice and grass strands? Oh, what's happening in this house since morning? I just can't understand anything.
Okay, Mom. Don't you think that all these efforts are actually wasted? There's no meaning to this.
Sulata, since Mom is asking, why don't you bring the conch?
No, she won't do that. She has to say many negative things to make everyone understand that this marriage won't survive. All of us are aware this wedding didn't happen in a normal way. That's why all of us are trying that Mithai and Siddharth bond well. And we are focusing on performing the rituals. But no, she has to say something or the other. Go and bring the conch and the plate of rice and grass strands.
But what is the use of rice and grass strands?
Sulata, forget it. Come with me. What's wrong with you? Tell me, why are you talking so much? Can't you see that Mom is tense too?
Yes, she's tensed, but she criticized me in front of my to-be son-in-law. Why? Why? Did Sid come downstairs?
I really don't understand. Sulata, what's wrong with you? Please come with me.
Listen, have you asked Siddharth to come downstairs? We have to start the ring game.
What happened, Dad? Is everything all right?
My mind isn't working, Grandpa. Please don't ask me to follow any more ritual. Leave me alone, please.
Look, Dad, did Siddharth tell you that he won't follow any ritual? If that is the case, then I think Sulata is absolutely right. This wedding is a big mistake. We have made a mistake by taking this decision. And also with Shom, when Oppa and I had convinced Shom to marry Mithai, we made another mistake. After that, when Sid decided to marry Mithai in order to save your life, then I made a mistake by not stopping him. Am I right?
Amresh, what are you doing? Please keep quiet. Why are you getting so agitated? What have you guys started?
Uncle Amresh, what I'm saying is, how can everyone become angry at the same time? Someone has to keep one's head cool.
I can't keep my head cool.
Okay, fine, come with me. We all have to rake our brains and find out a...
What way you all talking about? What way do you have in your mind? It's all my fault. I wanted to make Mithai the daughter-in-law of this family. It's all my fault. Now I can see that none of the members of this house being able to value Mithai properly. So in this case, the mistake is mine. Only mine. You guys just judge person on face value. You don't get to see the heart of gold within. And yes, Amresh, Siddharth has said that he won't follow any rituals of wedding. He also said that he is not in his senses. And he has also said that, seeing my condition, he married Mithai out of compulsion. Yes, I strongly believe that Siddharth will change his perspective someday. Someday Mithai should definitely be able to change Siddharth's heart. But that will take time. Don't you guys want to give that much time? None of you are helping them either.
Mithai?
Mithai?
Mithai!
Wait.
Mithai!
Mithai!
Mithai?
Mithai!
Mithai,
Mithai?